First, cicadas are here. Welcome the cicadas. Ta-da-dun-dun. They are still sleepy, but they are here to stay. The cicadas 2021 cicadas. Ooh, there are 4 actually. One more in this corner. Cicadas. The cicadas are here. 2021. Cicadas are here. They are coming out of the ground and they are climbing the trees. Soon there'll be a lot of noise. Everywhere. Cicadas. This is the first day I've seen cicadas 2021. Empty cicada shell. One is here. And then if I go up a little bit, ooh, they are climbing up. Look, empty cicada shell, another one. And another one. Empty cicada shell. Cicadas are here. And let's see, there is one more over here. Empty one. Ooh, actually there are plenty. They're starting to come out, so look. They're coming out slowly. Cicadas everywhere, slowly coming out. This one just spread its wings. Is it ready to fly? Hello. Are you ready? Steady, go! 2021 first flight, maybe? No, still sleepy. These have just come out of the ground, fresh. Here is it. This one's a shell, empty shell right here. Another empty shell. This one climbed up here under the stool. And where is the empty shell of this one? Right there. That's the empty shell of the cicada.